Assignment. Final story project. A letter to myself. Hello, Caitlin. I know, that's such a weird thing to say to myself. But this is a letter from the future. A letter 10 years from now. A letter to help you know that you are on your way to great things. I want to make sure that you know that you did it. You got to where you wanted to be, working behind the stage. You are a stage manager, and you're on tour right now with the Phantom of the Opera. Can you believe it? All it took was for you to keep going with your schooling and take classes like your new student experience class at Valencia to keep you on the right track. Your purpose statement of I plan to live each ongoing day like tomorrow would never exist, full of love and hope to bring joy to the individuals I spread out my hand to, it really paid off in the end. You see, your values to keep working on yourself and your academic career really kept you motivated. Your working towards theater and going to a university really paid off in the end. Your statement kept you living every day towards your goal, and you never gave up on those dark days when nothing was seeming to go right. Eventually, you made your way here and accomplished your dream. Though you did get here, it did take some time to finish school. You worked into getting your associates through Valencia by the spring of 2023. You used many resources, from the Atlas website to keep your academic path on track, to also using places like the library to keep your studies up, especially through the challenging classes, such as math you had to take. Valencia truly helped you find your way. Afterwards, you were able to send in your transfer for your bachelor's to the University of Central Florida. Go Knights! There you put more work and started your theatrical career in their amazing theater department. There you made amazing friends and had amazing supportive professors. With all of that and the confidence you built, you were able to keep up and go for the path you had chosen. You received grants from both schools, but you still had to have some help with financial aid through some loans. Perhaps you are still paying your debt of, $50,000 for all your schooling, but you have a financial plan and a great job that you are nearly done paying it all off. Even during your time at UCF, you made connections through the school and professors for you to start an internship at the Dr. Phillips Center in downtown Orlando. This started your career behind the scenes and got you involved in learning the skills you used at school in real life. After school, we had our degree in hand and even got our license for using pyrotechnical items, just as we wanted, so we can work in all sorts of stage works and designs, including helping the stagehand set up every night for different shows. Of course, we fumbled, but we learned where our strengths are, and we learned that as stage manager, we can facilitate communication across all creative and technical departments. We act as a right hand to the director. We oversee props, sets, lights, and sounds, and call all technical cues during performances. We learned each skill as the time came, and now we are here with some of the top working directors on tours. Through all your hard work, you made it, Caitlin. Never forget your story and how it all started.